up, y'all? And getting a package in the mail today. And you know what that means? I'm going to do an unboxing. I already know what it is. It's the clutch and flywheel kit for the Z. In case y'all don't know. I am blowing out one of the bearings inside the Z. And part of the reason why is because the clutch started slipping and started chattering. Putting all that stress through a 40-year-old gearbox. So I'm going to replace the clutch and flywheel. And I figured I'll kind of fancy out and get a slightly lighter weight one. So now I'm just going to take my knife. Fun fact, this knife I actually found in the Z when I bought it. It's not that great, especially the handle, but you know, I took it, sharpened it up with the whetstone, and it was pretty good. A little benefit. So go ahead and switch hands. Go ahead and now, if y'all are interested, I'll put the eBay link in the description. It is an XCD clutch, so it's one of the better ones. So, as you can see, XCD. So this is the clutch disc. We'll get into that in a minute. I believe this is the throwout bearing coil, so it's the name brand bearing. Here's the actual flywheel. Looks like they just took a stock steel flywheel and just put a bunch of holes in it. Not exactly the same one that I've seen online, but that was probably just a stock photo. So yeah, they probably took out like 5 pounds or so just by drilling these holes. So it's pretty neat. It's not an aluminum flywheel. Aluminum flywheel will be lighter, but at least this one will help out a little bit without making the car so weird to drive. And this is the actual clutch alignment tool. It's the actual clutch cover or the pressure plate. Oh no, it looks like my pilot bushing got smashed. Oh, that's unfortunate. I'm gonna see if they'll send out a new one. It's gonna be a while before I get to this. And of course that's the grease. So anyway, look at the clutch cover. How does this thing open? More tape on the back of it. Oh. Sorry, it's hard to do this one-handed. So there's the pressure plate. Decent unit. Nothing too exciting. Looks like these fingers are hardened. So I shouldn't have to worry about those breaking off. And of course, just sit down on the flywheel like so. The throwout bearing, which I'm pretty sure y'all seen the throwout bearing before. If not, here it is. It's not really like I'm expecting it. I was expecting it to have like a whole little thing. I guess this might clip onto that. I have no idea. And maybe this clips onto that piece. So right here, this is the fit part that, you know, sits onto the clutch like that. I think. Yeah, well anyway, so that's the throwout bearing, release bearing, whatever you want to call it. And here's the actual clutch disc. Now this one should just be a regular organic clutch. Shouldn't be anything fancy. It's not a puck disc clutch or ceramic or anything like that. It is a nice looking clutch though. So yeah, I guess this is technically called stage 1 clutch because it's got the organic material with the steel or metal inlays. It's a nice unit. So happy with the clutch kit. I don't know about the throwout bearing, and of course, like I said, pilot bushing got smashed. Now, worst case scenario, I'll just reuse the one that's in the car. It seems to be fine. I would like to get it replaced. But anyway, that's the unboxing. So I'm gonna take a couple pictures of the pilot bearing bushing that's been smashed and see if I get replaced. I know I didn't take the flywheel out of the bag, but this thing still weighs, even though it's lightened, still weighs a ton. I'm just going to take a picture of this for the thumbnail, and that'll be it. So thanks for watching. Wait until you see what I'm doing with the Z. That'll be an upcoming video. Be sooner than later since the Z's down right now, and that's my daily driver. So see y'all in a little bit.